Hello everyone. Let's learn some colors and shapes. Dark green color, sky blue color, yellow color, sea green color, light pink color, red color, purple color, light brown color, grey color, blue color, green color, light yellow color, light pink color, orange color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Star, circle, cloud, vertical rectangle, triangle, square, dark pink color, star, 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 dark pink color, light yellow color, circle, circle, light yellow color, sky blue color, cloud, 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 sky blue color, green color, vertical rectangle, vertical rectangle, green color, purple color, triangle, triangle, purple color, orange color, square, square, orange color, dark pink color, light yellow color, sky blue color, green color, purple color, orange color, star, circle, cloud, vertical rectangle, triangle, square. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. Bye.